Number 19 on the EOC Math 3 practice test. What value of t to the nearest hundredth makes the equation 4 times t to the 3t equals 12 true? Enter your answer in the space provided. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is it said to the nearest hundredth, so I want to make sure I put my answer in the correct format. So that means 2 decimal places. All right, so what value of t? That means we're solving for t, so let's work it out. So 4 times 10 to the 3t power equals 12. So I'm trying to isolate t, so let's first divide by 4. Twelve divided by 4 is 3. And now we need to rewrite this. Since this is exponential, we know that exponential functions are inverses of logarithms. So we're going to have to rewrite this as log base 10 of 3 equals 3t. And then you're going to divide both sides by 3. And then whatever this equals will be t. All right, so let's look at our calculator. All right, so with our calculator, we're going to turn it on. Let's clear out the graphs here. All right, so we need to plug in log base 10 of 3 divided by 3. So I'm going to do log of 3. And remember, when you use the buttons here on the side, this means log base 10, this means log base E, and you have to go up to your math and find the log button to enter any different base. So we're going to do log base 3, enter, divide that by 3. And we're going to do 2 decimal places, remember. So the 9 in the third place tells me that that 5 goes up to 6. So our answer is going to be 0.16.